the 2018 Ford F-150. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, you'll be sure to appreciate this model's condition and value. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and a split folding rear seat. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.